Hey guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you a step-by-step process on how I made this delicious Ghanaian soup using assorted fish and then goat meat. It's very easy to make and then trust me, you're gonna love it. So do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So I'll start by adding some water in a pot and then I'll add some pepper and then I'll add some turkey berries as well, and then I'll put to a boil. You can as well add or use garden eggs, and then that's fine. All ingredients you use will be listed, so please check. In a different pot, I'll add some fresh goat meat, which has already been cleaned, and then I'll add some charcoal grilled goat meat as well. Add some diced onion, goat meat seasoning, and then your preferred seasoning. And I'm saying your preferred seasoning because I do not want to limit what you would want to use. I'll then give it a quick stir and then I'll add some green marinade. One thing that makes cooking easier is having some marinade already in the fridge. No stress at all. I'll then cover and then cook for 30 minutes. Proceeding to the next stage, I'll add my cooked pepper and then turkey berries to a blender, and then I'll add some water and I'll give it a blend off camera. And then after 30 minutes, I checked on my meat and then I added some tomato paste. I didn't add it previously because I wanted it to release its own juice and flavor before I add. Then you realize I didn't add any water when steaming the meat. That's because the meat itself produces its own water when cooking, so there's no need. And after it's my percent and huchie, so huchie and a yete. The meat is still on fire. I'll then quickly remove the scale from the fish, and then I'm using cassava fish. Afterwards, I'll add some vinegar and I'll wash it off after 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll cut them to my preferred size. Yeah. When I'm done, I'll then season it with some herbs and then all-purpose seasoning and then some fish seasoning. And then I'll just massage and then set aside. So if you're still here and watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. I will be grateful. Thank you. So now our meat is perfectly cooked now, but Renakono. It has released its own juice and flavor. So I'll just add my blended pepper and I almost missed a clip. And please strain it because you don't want any chaff in your soup. I'll then add some water. And at this stage, ubehwe and I'm dodo a wode ye nkwan na wode ahwe so ahye wo nsuo no. Yeah. So when I'm done, I'll add some onion and then fresh tomatoes and cook this on low to medium heat for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'll just remove the onion and tomatoes and I'll give it a blend and add back to the soup. And please make sure you rinse the blender with little amount of water and then add it back. You don't want to miss anything. At this stage, I'll just add my fish. That's my seasoned fish and then my dry fish, and then I'll allow this to cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I also added some pepper, but just look at that. It's so easy but very delicious, and trust me, I made this for my guests and they loved it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And of course, I enjoyed this with some fufu. Yeah, try this and then let me know what you think. And then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.